Hello, happy Sunday, Hello, happy Sunday, guys. Hey, hello, happy Sunday. I have something to tell you. Please, no more fights. No more fights.
I said when
no more fights. No more fights. A lot of people have been pleading. My mommy speak to me that I should let go of everything. I want to say this authoritatively. K1, the ultimate, you are forgiving. Malaka, you cannot be forgiven. Heaven will not forgive you. MC Olomo, you are forgiving. They say I should forgive my son too. Efele Ijebu, do you too? They say I should forgive you. Or Koko Zaria, your sin cannot be forgiven, but you are dead. But people have been begging. They say I should forgive other people. I should not fight. People are making money in Nigeria, in Lagos especially. That I should, you understand me? So I should let go and start from here. So also Megidana say I should forgive them, so that if you want peace. So and because of my daddy too, my able President Bola Tinubu, I cannot be calling President Bola Tinubu my daddy. Then I'll be fighting all these children. It's not biologically, it's not Yaloji Ashade, Chief Mrs. Respect Mao, and also it's not Sheyi. My able incoming governor of Lagos State, I cannot be fighting them, and I cannot, they are not the one, I cannot be fighting with these boys also, and then be calling my daddy. So seriously, today is another wonderful Sunday, and including pastor that have wants me, all the people who have fraud me, they say I should drop, I should forget about it yesterday, I should start today. This is a new day and a new dawn. I just want to say this. K1, you are forgiving, not for anything, and I even unblock you, so before for like 4 years now I block you. So all of you that are blocked on my page, I forgive it, and I'm not even communicating with some some people sharp that are close to K1 that I'm upset with. So everything from the bottom of my heart, so you can see my face. So seriously, I forgive you and I let go. I am not going to just let me be, okay? Let me be. So, and there's no permanent friend and there's no permanent enemy. So I'm hurt and I'm pained seriously, but the deal have been done. So, and I have to forget the past so that my future I can have my peace, and also my daughter can have a peace, and also I can start making something. I want to leave whatever. So far, me wawa, I do follow. And today, that's the father of my baby that have gone with the battle. May his soul rest in perfect peace. I forgive you from the bottom of my heart, and everybody that affronts me, I forgive you too. And if you know I want you also, maybe because of my blogging or any one way or the other, and also forgive. And those of you who are so being upset for the, because a lot of people, they say Nigeria is hard now. I'm the first person to vote, to do jingle for my able President Bola Tinubu. All of you too, don't be annoyed. I'm in Nigeria right now, and I'm telling you, whatever you are facing, me also, but I've suffered too. I've been through a lot of things, a lot of pain. All of you that offended me, I'm not waiting for you to say sorry. Seriously, I'm not waiting for you to say sorry. Seriously, as a child of God, I let go, I leave you, okay? And I pray God forgive you. Anyway, I've sinned against God also. God will forgive me as well. So I let go. That's just what I want to say to you. This is me and my daughter. Say hello to everybody. Say hello. Okay, so my mommy have spoken, a lot of people. Even when I met a police officer on the road, he's telling me, let's go. Just make sure you start your business, do something now. So, I've forgiven all of you. But I have not forgiven you for now. of OLA. Let go. I let go. So even Suli Alamalaika, everybody, I let go. Okay, I let go. So ẹni tí ò mọ̀ yín rí gan, they are pleading every day. Somebody talked to me yesterday. I let go. It's not because of that person. I prayed over it, and somebody was talking to me today. Even today, you know, the message was busy coming in. So, and my mommy, number one, mommy mi ló kọ́kọ́ sọ̀rọ̀. Wọ́n ní àti àwọn gan, wọ́n lábúrò mi gan. Everybody, wọ́n ní please let go. My mommy said that to me. Wọ́n ní let go. Wọ́n ní let go. It pains me very well, but I let go. Right? I let go. So that is it. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye for now.